Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out at High Winds Casino today. I'm going to be playing Hunt for Neptune's Goat. We're going to start out on the 25-cent denom, betting $5 a spin. Got $70 loaded in. $22 hit. Got us $10.50 back on that one. $49 hit there. Good deal. We can get us another red screen. Got us a $10 hit there. That is red. And stayed in. Still in. Up for $22.50. Stayed in. And still in. Yeah. Wow. Wow, still in. Got us 101.75 on that one. We'll do a few more spins. $95.50 hit. Wow. That'd have been awesome if that would have turned red. Another nice hit, $16.75. $8 back on that one. We'll play this down to 200 and take us a nice profit off this machine. And it's red. Kicked it right out, but we picked up $22. Nice hit right there for $13.75. And it's red. Stayed in. Still in. Picked up $119 on that one. Wow, guys, we started with $70. We're up to $381. $4 back on that one. I'll play it down to 3. Another red screen. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Got $9.50 back on that one. $6.50 back. Give us one more good hit. $4.75. We got 3 more spins. And we got the bonus. Nice little win there, guys. 50 bucks. Alright, we'll still play at the 3. Hopefully we can get a real good red spin again. Bonus again, guys. Good deal. Alright, we picked up $44.75. More push money. Get a red screen. More spins, guys. And last spin. Absolutely amazing session. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. This was a great session. We started with $70. We're cashing out at $301.25. I'll see you soon.